to open your present.
That smile.
But I want the yellow one.
All right. That's from Nima. What does it have on it? A sticker of?
Bunny.
Yeah.
Who's it for?
It's for you, Henry.
What's it called?
I don't know. We don't know till we open it. He's tearing a paper.
This is going to be a very special present.
What is it?
Oh, wow, Henry. Here, take the rest of the paper.
Oh, how nice.
I love trucks.
Yeah. Oh, Nima does know you love trucks.
Oh, wow, Henry. That is so nice.
Oh, a new truck in a box.
Can I open it?
Yes, it's your
Yes,
new
uh-huh.
truck.
Let me see the knife. I'll help you, buddy. It's very taped up.
What kind of truck is it?
It's a Tonka truck. It's a new Tonka.
Does it look cool?
It's just like my yellow Tonka.
Nice. Is that exciting?
But does it work?
But does it work?
It's in a brand new.
Does it work?
I think so.
We'll find out. It's right. The yellow Tonka. He asked that because the one that I got before we had to take back and get a new one.
Nino.
Wow, this is really bad. This is pretty amazing.
How you feel? Where are you going? Oh. Did you want to open another?
Yeah.
What one?
Yeah.
What's in there?
I want to open the yellow one.
Okay. What does it feel like it?
A DVD.
A DVD. What is it?
George.
George. You love George. It's Curious George. You like to watch it while you eat your breakfast. He's in a rocket.
And there is a Tonka truck. And a trailer. And toes. It does tow. There you go, buddy.
Ah, nice.
I think we need to put some batteries in it because I put the sign lights up.
Can you say thank you, Nima?
Thank you, Nemo.
That's awesome.
Can you say happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Okay. Bye-bye.